Okay guys, we are back. I hope you liked the intro, and today I'm testing out I'm just testing out what I just unboxed. Watched the video, the last video that I posted before this one, and it's an unboxing of my new tripod that I'm gonna use to make videos. So let's open this thing. I also got this to make unboxings a lot better. So let's just take the knife out. Okay, there you go. Oh, sorry about that. Nobody cares about that, right? So, first of all, let me just take out the scotch. And on the bottom, I think there's scotch too. Okay. And now we just hold it down. First of all, let's look at around the box. HyperX Team, some games, I don't really know what that is. The website for support. Yeah, at the back you have some more information of where everything is. You have it in so many languages. So you have like here in what kind of like platforms you can use it. Raidcall, Mumble, Ventoloid, Skype, Discord, and TeamSpeak. It has a 3.5mm headphone jack. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So it is Discord certified, by the way. So let's open it up. Oh. There we go. So inside this box you actually have some things in there. I can't even read it, but let's just ignore that. And let's go ahead and open this up. First of all, hallelujah. And there, you don't have it yet. Hahaha. So you have your this card. We're all gamers. Congratulations on joining the HyperX family. We leave that at the side. You have HyperX has you covered. I guess this is like your warranty. And another warranty. So we got two warranties, looks like. And then you have your manual, which obviously we're not gonna use. Okay, after that you have your headphones. That looks so cool, right? That looks so professional. So let's start in the small things. First of all, you have your professional microphone right there. You can bend it so it fits into your, so you get the best quality. Let's put it at the side. And next, you have a pouch to put your headphones in, so you can go wherever you want, and you just put them in here. And I think, yeah, you can close it with this thing. So you clip. And there you go. Okay. We'll put that aside too. And we have some cables. There you have this cable. I'm not sure for what you're gonna use it, but it's very high quality cable. And you have like this thing. Microphone is this one, and then this one is headphone. Most iMacs now only have this one. So yeah, but I do have an old MacBook that do have both, so we might test that one out. And next up we have the headphones itself. We got it in black. They are very, very nice to the touch. Very, very nice. On the top you have some lettering, wow, and stitches. HyperX. And we have our other cable, which also looks very high quality. And you have some headphone controls. So this is, I think, is your volume. I'm not sure what this is. And then you have a switch to mute or unmute your microphone. And then you have your normal headphone port. This is a headphone jack, so then you just do like that. There you go. And then I guess you can use this too, instead of just this. That's pretty hard actually. So you have your plastics. I'm gonna take them off now. One of the sides I'm just gonna take it here, and the other one I'm gonna take it by the microphone of my iPhone so you can hear it. Wow. It's actually matte. So I thought it was glassy, but it's not glassy. Now, let's do the other side. Let's make some silence. And we put it down there. You have this thing. Yeah, this thing. And you have your headphone thing. And here you have a little cap which covers, you guessed it, your microphone port. So you just plug it in like so, right there. It fits very flush. Then you bend it to your mouth, and then that's how it would go. So let's take this out. And now, so then you disconnect this, and then after you use it, you just put this back on, like so, like that. And now we put that aside, and we're gonna just put the box aside. So let's test how it would go inside the bag, so you can take it wherever you want. So it pretty much just goes and just fits. So you put it inside, and then you can also fit this cable in and your microphone, but you should be more careful with your microphone. Right there. And then you just pull this, and then you push this button, and zoop. And there you go. All packed in here. Also feels like it would protect it if you drop it. It also has some branding right there. There, HyperX. And then to open it, you just push, pull, open. And so I'm gonna go ahead and grab my iPad so we can test this out. I guess because they're such good headphones, you might be able to hear. Oh, that was so satisfying. You are gonna be able to hear everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my iPad. Okay, here it is. Pretty big iPad, so yeah. First of all, let's get our microphone put it in here for now. We're not gonna use this cable now. And I'm gonna grab this, and let's undo this thing. Just an organizer thing. Let's do that. Okay, there we go. And that way we can just undo the other side. Oh, I hate these things. There we go. And now you have the wire free. So you definitely feel the high quality of the high price. I'm gonna link below where you can buy it off of Amazon. And let's put my iPad right there. Put the password. There you go. And let's go ahead and connect to the iPad the headphones. So we opened right there and we plug them in like so, and there you have it. It should detect that it's connected to some headphones right there. Oh, right there. Very cool with iOS 13, very cool animation. Now let's go ahead and play some Christmas music. I'm not gonna put it too loud. I hope you don't hear it because I don't want to get a copyright strike. Let's play here and download it music. In songs, let's play Jingle Bells. Can you hear it? Because you can definitely hear it. Let me test it. And I'm also gonna let my cameraman test it. Wow. Also has some noise cancellation, by the way.
And with that, we have concluded an Apple Topics video. Hope you liked it, like it, and subscribe, and see you later.